Welcome to Bike Buzz. Today, we are talking about the much-anticipated 2025 Bajaj Avenger 400, which could be Bajaj's biggest and most powerful cruiser yet. Known for its comfortable riding ergonomics and classic cruiser appeal, the Avenger series has been a favorite among long-distance riders. With a new 400 cubic centimeters engine, will the Avenger 400 redefine affordable cruising in India? Let's find out. Bold and muscular cruiser styling. The Avenger 400 is expected to carry forward the classic low-slung cruiser design but with a more muscular stance. Expect a beefier fuel tank, wider handlebars, a longer wheelbase, and premium LED lighting. Bajaj might introduce new alloy wheels, a digital instrument console with Bluetooth connectivity, and dual-tone paint options, giving the bike a more premium appeal. Powerful 400 cubic centimeters engine for effortless cruising. Bajaj will likely equip the Avenger 400 with the 373 cubic centimeters, liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine from the Dominar 400, producing around 35 PS and 35 Nm of torque. The engine will be tuned for a relaxed, torquey performance, making highway cruising effortless. Expect a 6-speed gearbox with a slipper clutch, ensuring smooth gear shifts and better control on long rides. Enhanced comfort and touring capability. The Avenger 400 will retain its laid-back riding posture with a low seat height, forward-set foot pegs, and a cushioned backrest for maximum comfort. Bajaj might improve the suspension setup, featuring telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers, ensuring a plush ride over long distances. Advanced braking and safety features. To handle the extra power, the 2025 Avenger 400 is expected to get dual-disc brakes with dual-channel ABS as standard. Wider tubeless tires will improve road grip, while an updated chassis design will enhance stability at high speeds. Bajaj may also introduce traction control or riding modes, making it more advanced than its predecessors. Expected price and launch. The Bajaj Avenger 400 is expected to be priced around 2.20 Indian rupees lakh to 2.50 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable 400 cubic centimeters cruisers in India. A launch in late 2025 is likely, positioning it against rivals like the Royal Enfield Meteor 350, Honda CB350, and Jawa Parak. Would you choose the Avenger 400 for your next highway adventure? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Buzz for more motorcycle updates and reviews. Stay tuned.